Damn. Good afternoon, everybody. Well, here I am in the basement, and I had a Super C630 and Tyco running, the bicentennial unit. Now it decided it don't want to run anymore. It just sitting there spinning its damn wheels. But guess what? We got a dirty little option we're going to use to get her to move. Now the Super C630, pardon me, I can't get my words straight here, is a high nose. The only ones that had them was Norfolk and Western, and Chicago and Northwestern. Actually, the Chicago and Northwestern inherited theirs from Norfolk Southern. Well, added a little too much. Well, we had it running for a few minutes. I wanted to get that nasty winding noise out of it. Well, I did it. One bad result. It came out worse than what I wanted. This train to move under its own power. This is one of 3 bicentennial units Tyco made. They made a pair of F units, a C430, and then this Super C630. And just to have, ooh, looks like she's trying to move. The next thing I'm going to do is find handrail into this engine and fix her up nice. A lot of people say I waste my money on Tyco stuff. I don't care. Their engines weren't the greatest later in the company's history, but their goddamn cars ran pretty good on the train layout. A lot of my Swift cars are old Tycos. Okay.